MakePhotoFast AI has just hit the market, and if you're looking for a tool that can revolutionize how you edit and create photos with AI, you've come to the right place. Stick with me as we dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new software. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro in digital marketing, this tool has something for everyone. And by the way, you can try MakePhotoFast AI completely free through the first link in the description. First, MakePhotoFast AI is designed to simplify and automate the photo editing process, allowing you to create stunning images without the need for deep technical skills. It's perfect for marketers, content creators, or anyone who wants to step up their photo game without spending hours learning complicated software. This is a game changer if you're looking to save time while still producing high-quality content. The second thing to note is its ease of use. It features an intuitive, user-friendly interface that lets you start editing immediately. No steep learning curve or frustrating setup process, just open the software, upload your image, and you're ready to go. Whether you're adjusting colors, adding effects, or enhancing details, MakePhotoFast AI has automated features that make the editing process lightning fast. Another standout feature is its advanced AI capabilities. The AI analyzes your photo and suggests automatic enhancements based on the style and mood you're aiming for. You can instantly adjust the settings or let the software take control, perfect for those who want to save time while still maintaining creative control. The AI doesn't just tweak photos randomly, it understands context and improves them with precision, which is why it's so effective for professional quality results. One more exciting thing is its batch editing functionality. If you're handling multiple photos, especially in digital marketing or e-commerce, this tool lets you edit multiple images at once with the same level of precision. Imagine saving hours on large projects. This is a huge time saver for marketers or anyone in need of producing lots of visuals fast. MakePhotoFast AI also includes powerful background removal tools. This is essential for those who need clean, professional-looking images for websites, ads, or social media. With a single click, you can remove or replace backgrounds, saving you the headache of manually editing each image. Plus, the AI keeps edges sharp and realistic, making it perfect for anything from product photos to social media posts. Another key aspect is its versatility. Whether you're enhancing a landscape photo, improving a portrait, or refining an image for an ad campaign, MakePhotoFast AI can handle all types of editing. You can even add text or logos to your images, which is essential for branding purposes. This flexibility is crucial for anyone working with diverse content needs. Lastly, MakePhotoFast AI's pricing is extremely competitive, especially considering the power and simplicity of the tool. While many photo editing software options come with hefty price tags or complicated subscription models, MakePhotoFast AI provides an affordable solution, with a free version that lets you explore most of the features without spending a dime. So, if you're looking for an AI-powered photo editing tool that saves you time, improves your workflow, and offers top-tier results, MakePhotoFast AI is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, you can try it for free through the first link below. And if you're serious about improving your digital content, I've included some of my favorite AI software recommendations in the description as well, all available for free trials after testing thousands of options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide if MakePhotoFast AI is the right tool for your next project.